Stripe versus Whop, which is better for high ticket payments. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you which platform is better for high ticket payments between Stripe and Whop. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So beginning with Stripe. Stripe supports payments in over 135 currencies, making it ideal for businesses with an international customer base. It offers extensive API documentation, allowing for deep customization and integration into various systems. Provides built-in tools for managing subscriptions and recurring payments, which is great for SaaS businesses. It also features advanced fraud detection tools to help protect businesses from fraudulent transactions. Can handle businesses of all sizes, from startups to large enterprises, making it highly scalable. Requires a technical setup which may be overwhelming for non-developers. It also includes transaction fees and additional fees for certain features like instant payouts. It is not as comprehensive for physical point of sale POS systems compared to other processors. Now, let's come towards WAP. WAP specifically designed for selling high ticket digital products, optimizing the sales process for larger transactions. Offers an integrated affiliate system to boost sales through partnerships and referrals. Streamlined checkout process minimizes friction, increasing conversion rates for high value purchases. Facilitates quick payouts to sellers, enhancing cash flow for businesses dealing with high ticket items. Provides tools to manage customer relationships and track sales effectively. Primarily focuses on high ticket digital products, which may restrict payment method choices compared to broader platforms. Charges fees on sales, which can add up for businesses with high volumes of transactions. As a newer platform, it may lack some features and integrations that established competitors offer. Choosing between Stripe and Whop depends on your specific needs. Stripe excels with its global payment support and flexibility, while Whop focuses on optimizing sales for high ticket digital products. Consider your business model and payment needs to determine which platform aligns best with your goals. That's all for the video.